Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So, today we are going to study a new lesson, that is mouse. Just now we have started, so I'm going to explain you the lesson in whole so that you can be more prepared for the reading part, है ना? हम ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में रीडिंग करते हैं, so उसके लिए आप पहले से थोड़ा सा प्रिपेयर रह सकते हो अगर आप ये वीडियो देखोगे. So you have to do what you have to do is you have to concentrate and you have to listen carefully what I am explaining. Okay. So in today's class we are going to read and study more about mouse, how a mouse works, what are their functions, what are the parts, and who invented mouse, all those things. Okay. So before that, I want to tell you only one important thing, that you have to um purchase the books, because some of the students are not yet have not yet purchased the books. I have heard from some teachers or some other students that ma'am, we are not having book and all. So those who are not having, please kindly buy the books, है ना? क्योंकि मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया, आपको साल भर इसी बुक से पढ़ना है, आपको बहुत प्रॉब्लम जाएगी, एंड आई एम श्योर कि भी आपको एग्जाम टाइम भी आपको बहुत प्रॉब्लम गई होगी, क्योंकि मेनली आप लोगों का मल्टीपल चॉइस और इन बिटवीन द लेसन, राइट? So for that you need to read the lesson. So for that you have to buy a book. Okay. So please buy computer book. ठीक है, easy to learn lesson, sorry, class 1 class 2 ऐसे जो भी आपकी बुक है वो ले लीजिए. ठीक है. So now let's get started.
Children, you already know about the computer mouse. Do you remember? It is a pointing device with a tail. Do you remember that a mouse normally has two buttons on it? Let us now learn more about the mouse. Mouse is an input device. It helps us to point at any item on the screen and also to draw pictures. Mouse pointer. Mouse pointer is displayed on the screen as a slanting arrow. It is different than the text cursor. As you move the mouse in a particular direction, the mouse pointer moves on the screen in the same direction. You can move the mouse to a desired location on the screen. Earlier, the computer mouse had a roller ball at the bottom for movement. Nowadays, a mouse does not have any ball at the bottom. It uses infrared light instead of a ball for movement. This device is called an optical mouse. Mouse pad. The pad on which we put the mouse and move it is known as mouse pad. How to hold a mouse. Place your palm on the mouse. Hold it with your thumb and two fingers. A scrolling wheel is usually there in between the left and right mouse buttons. Such a mouse is a scroll mouse. The wheel helps you to scroll a page up and down. Place your index finger on the left button and middle finger on the right button. Now, move the mouse on the mouse pad and look at the movement of the pointer on the screen. It moves in the direction in which you move the mouse. Scrolling means moving up and down. Mouse action. There are 5 mouse actions: left click, double click, right click, drag and drop, and scrolling. Left click or click. Gently press the left mouse button once and release it. The mouse makes a click sound. This is known as clicking. A single left click, simply called click, is generally used to select an item on the screen. Left click is also used to position the text cursor somewhere between the text to make a correction. Double click. Gently press the left mouse button twice at a short interval and release it. It is called double click. Double click is generally used to open a window or a program. Double click opens a selected item. We first point to an item by moving the mouse over it and then double click over there. Right click. Press and release the right mouse button. This is called right click. Right clicking shows a list of commands or a pop-up menu on the monitor. Drag and drop. Drag and drop is used to move or copy an item from one place to another on the screen using the mouse. Move the pointer over an item on the screen. Press the left button and hold. Holding this button, move or drag the pointer to the place where you want to place the item. Release the button. Observe, the item appears on the new place. If you repeat the same while pressing the
Okay, I hope आप सबको समझ में आ गया होगा. I have explained you everything about mouse. Now it is very easy for you to understand what is a mouse, what are its parts, how it works, functions and all. So now please watch this video once again carefully and then try to read your lesson by yourself so that you can learn the difficult words and your reading will also improve. Okay? Okay? Yes. So good day everyone.